Okay, fifth graders, we are going to get started on our Stevenson Grammar homework. I want you to make sure that at the top of your worksheet it says Stevenson Grammar Item 5, and then at the bottom it has the number 2, page number 2. So make sure you have that. And also, please make sure that you have this song sitting next to you. This is the song that has most prepositions, and when we first start identifying prepositions, we want to make sure that we have it out next to us. So I'm going to put it right next to me, and I want you to do the same thing. Okay? Before we start, I want to remind you that a preposition is going to tell us when or where something is. When something's happening or where it is. That's normally what it's going to tell us. So our job is to take the prepositional phrase out, and we're going to squiggle it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the sentence, and we're going to identify what the prepositional phrase is. Number 1, the boat floated near the dock in the breeze. So, where is the boat floating? It is near the dock and in the breeze. The first word of every prepositional phrase, so you go ahead and squiggle it like that. The first word of a prepositional phrase is always the preposition. The last word of a prepositional phrase is a noun. Okay, so the P stands for preposition and the N stands for noun. And then that's it, we leave it alone. Mary went on a trip in a plane. So I'm going to ask myself, where or when? So where did Mary go? She went on a trip, squiggle that. How? She was in a plane. The first word is always a preposition, and the last word is a noun. Number 3, at the party, James roasted apples over the fire. So where is James? James is at the party. And where did he roast the apples? He roasted them over the fire. The first word is a preposition. The last word is a noun. Okay? Number 4, the sheep leapt over the fence onto the road. Where did the sheep leap? Over the fence, onto the road. First word is a preposition. Last word is a noun. Okay. So, you are going to now do 5 and 6 by yourself, and your teacher will go over it tomorrow. I want you to circle 5 and 6, and then I want you to write yourself a note. Use song. Use your song. Make sure that the word is listed in the song as a preposition to help you identify the prepositional phrases. Okay? So we'll go over 5 and 6 tomorrow. All right. Have a good night.